Namaste, doston. Welcome to our journey through the fascinating world of Microsoft Windows. Today we're embarking on an exciting adventure that spans decades of innovation and transformation. We'll be exploring the incredible evolution of Microsoft Windows, a software that has revolutionized the way we interact with computers. From its humble beginnings as a simple operating system to its current status as a global powerhouse, Windows has come a long way. Get ready to dive deep into the story of innovation, challenges, and triumphs that have shaped Windows over the years. We'll see how Windows evolved from simple text commands to the vibrant graphical interfaces we know and love today. Along the way, we'll uncover the stories behind its biggest successes and the lessons learned from its missteps. So, buckle up and join me as we unravel the remarkable journey of Microsoft Windows. We'll explore the early days when Windows was just a fledgling idea, competing with other operating systems in a rapidly growing tech industry. We'll look at the pivotal moments that defined its path, like the launch of Windows 95, which brought the Start menu and taskbar into our lives. And we'll delve into the innovations that kept Windows at the forefront of technology, from the introduction of the graphical user interface to the development of cloud computing. We'll also see how Windows has adapted to the changing landscape of technology, integrating with modern devices and smart home systems. And finally, we'll meet the people behind the scenes, the developers, engineers, and visionaries who brought Windows to life. So whether you're a tech enthusiast, a history buff, or just curious about the software that powers our world, this journey is for you. Let's begin this incredible journey together and discover the story of Microsoft Windows. In the beginning, computers spoke a different language. They were enigmatic machines, understood only by a select few who could decipher their cryptic codes. The interface was stark, a black screen with a blinking cursor, waiting for commands typed in precise syntax. It was the age of MS-DOS, a world of cryptic commands and blinking cursors. Users had to memorize a plethora of commands to perform even the simplest tasks. It was a time when computing was a niche skill, reserved for those who could navigate the labyrinth of text-based instructions. But then, in 1985, something incredible happened. A new dawn was on the horizon, promising to change the way we interacted with computers forever. The world was about to witness a revolution that would make computing accessible to the masses. Windows 1.0 was born. It was a groundbreaking moment in the history of personal computing. For the first time, users were introduced to a graphical user interface, a visual way to interact with their machines. For the first time, users could interact with their computers using a mouse. This simple device, which we now take for granted, was revolutionary. It allowed users to point and click, making computing more intuitive and less intimidating. They could open multiple windows, albeit in a limited way, and experience the magic of a graphical user interface. This was a significant departure from the text-based commands of MS-DOS. It was a glimpse into the future, where computing would be more about visual interaction and less about memorizing commands. It was a revolution in the making, the introduction of Windows. 1.0 marked the beginning of a new era. It democratized computing, making it accessible to a broader audience. People could now use computers for a variety of tasks without needing to learn complex commands. Windows 1.0 introduced us to familiar applications like Notepad and Paint. These simple programs were the precursors to the sophisticated software we use today. They allowed users to create and edit text documents and draw pictures, opening up new possibilities for creativity and productivity. These early versions were simple, yet they hinted at the immense potential that lay ahead. They were the foundation upon which future versions of Windows would be built, each iteration bringing more features and greater usability. The dawn of Windows was just the beginning of a journey that would transform the world of computing forever. Windows 2.0 arrived in 1987, bringing with it the ability to overlap windows. This was a groundbreaking feature at the time, as it allowed users to view multiple applications simultaneously without having to switch back and forth between them. This seemingly small change was a significant leap forward in the way people interacted with their computers. It made multitasking easier and laid the groundwork for the future of window management, which would become a staple in operating systems for years to come. The introduction of overlapping windows was more than just a technical improvement. It was a shift in how people thought about using their computers. It allowed for a more fluid and dynamic workflow, enabling users to be more productive and efficient. This change was particularly beneficial for professionals who needed to manage multiple tasks at once, such as writing reports while referencing data or conducting research while drafting documents. Windows 2.0 also welcomed two iconic applications, Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel. These powerful tools would go on to become essential for businesses and individuals worldwide. Microsoft Word revolutionized word processing, making it easier to create, edit, and format documents. Microsoft Excel, on the other hand, transformed the way people handle data, offering robust tools for calculations, data analysis, and visualization. The inclusion of these applications marked a turning point for Windows, as it was no longer just an operating system. It was becoming a comprehensive platform for productivity and creativity. With Microsoft Word and Excel, users had powerful tools at their fingertips that could help them accomplish a wide range of tasks, from writing and editing to data management and analysis. These additions made Windows an indispensable tool for both personal and professional use. Businesses quickly adopted these applications to streamline their operations, improve efficiency, and enhance productivity. Individuals found new ways to organize their personal projects, manage their finances, and even pursue creative endeavors. With these additions, Windows was no longer just an operating system. It was becoming a platform for productivity and creativity. The ability to run multiple applications simultaneously, combined with the powerful tools provided by Microsoft Word and Excel, made Windows an essential part of daily life for millions of people around the world. It was becoming a platform for productivity and creativity. The impact of Windows 2.0 and its applications can still be felt today, as they laid the foundation for the modern computing experience we all enjoy. The innovations introduced in this version set the stage for future advancements, making Windows a cornerstone of the digital age. The year 1995 witnessed a paradigm shift in the world of personal computing. Windows 95 arrived, forever changing the way we interact with our devices. Gone were the days of clunky interfaces and limited functionality. Windows 95 introduced the world to the Start menu and taskbar, elements that have become synonymous with the Windows experience. It embraced the burgeoning internet, paving the way for a connected future. With its user-friendly interface and powerful features, Windows 95 catapulted Microsoft to new heights. Section 5. A mixed bag. The late 1990s and early 2000s were a period of both triumph and tribulation for Windows. Windows 98 built upon the success of its predecessor, bringing further refinements and introducing USB support. However, Windows ME, released in 2000, faced significant criticism for its instability and performance issues. It became a cautionary tale, reminding us that even the most ambitious projects can falter. Section 6. Redefining usability. In 2001, Microsoft unveiled Windows XP, an operating system that would go on to become a global phenomenon. With its user-friendly interface, improved stability, and widespread adoption, Windows XP enjoyed remarkable longevity. Windows Vista, released in 2006, attempted to introduce significant security enhancements but faced criticism for performance issues. It served as a reminder that striking the right balance between innovation and usability is crucial. Section 7. The Modern Era. Windows 7, launched in 2009, marked a return to form for Microsoft. Its improved performance, refined user interface, and focus on stability earned it widespread acclaim. It became the go-to operating system for millions worldwide. Windows 8, released in 2012, introduced a radical new start screen and attempted to bridge the gap between traditional desktops and touch-centric devices. However, its drastic changes proved controversial, leaving some users longing for the familiarity of earlier versions. Section 8. Windows conquers the world. Throughout its evolution, Windows has become the dominant operating system for personal computers globally. Its market share hovers around an astounding 90%, a testament to its widespread adoption and influence. From homes to businesses to educational institutions, Windows has become an integral part of our digital lives. Its familiar interface and vast software library have made it the platform of choice for billions of users worldwide. Section 9. Looking ahead. The future of Windows. As we look to the future, one thing is certain. Windows will continue to evolve. We can expect to see a continued focus on cloud integration, artificial intelligence, and seamless cross-device experiences. Windows will likely embrace new technologies and adapt to the changing needs of users. Its journey is far from over. Instead, it's poised for exciting new chapters filled with innovation and transformative experiences.